In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Photos and clicking on one of your chats or creating a new one. Either way, when you're ready, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add any photo, click on it here. If photos that you wish to add are not recent, select Folders. And look for them here by tapping on Images at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finally finding your photo, just hold it and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!